Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about subqueries in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So about the subquery, so I already imported point written at there to save some time. Now here after let's see the definition. So if we write to select a statement in where clause, so select a statement in where clause that we call it as a subqueries or inner queries. So and hereafter, there are four types of subqueries: single row, multi-row, multiple column, correlated subqueries. So what the single row subqueries? So it returns 0 or 1 row. So let's understand by example. So and here, this is the table that I am using, and total numbers of rows are 107. And hereafter, first I am going to execute add here this inner query. So it's returning 1700. So I am going to include employee ID. Now let's execute this query again. So see idea 101 has 17,000 sad. So I've given the condition employee ID equal to 101. So if you execute this on, so 101 has the salary 17,000. Now here after salary. So if you execute this upper query, so at here the salary is or 24,000 is the highest salary. So if you wanna check the highest salary in the table, so order by salary and here or give DSC. So if you execute this query, so this will display highest salary. So at here 24,000 is the first highest salary, second 70,000, third is the 1400. So at here this value is now returning 17,000. So only 24,000 is the greater than 17,000. So that here it's a display. Oh, and here I included. First I'm going to remove this part. Employee ID not required in the single row subquery. Now let's execute. So see here it's returning one row and 24,000 is the highest salary. So this is the condition. So this is one condition, it's a satisfied. So this value is returning 17,000 and 24,000 is greater than 17,000 here. So this is the about single row subquery. So it returns 0 or 1 row. Now the next subquery is the multi-row subquery. So it returns one or more rows. We should include operator like any, all, in, not in, between. Now hereafter see the records in the table. So this is the record here, employees table. Now hereafter with uh, add here with multi row subquery we can use add here all in any operator. So first I'm going to show you this here. So this is the record. So this is returning 17,000. Now if you execute this up, so see here it's returning multiple rows. Now here the things is about the any operator to compare value with any value in the list. So whatever the value in the list, so that compare. And we should use add with any operator. We have to use operator like not equal, equal, greater than here. So if you don't give any with any operator, so it getting the error syntax error message. Now here after let's give greater than. Now execute this query. So see right here it's displaying. So where employee ID is so this will return at here 17,000. So 245. So it will compare all the values. So 24500 greater than 17,000. It's true. 17,000 greater than 17,000. It's not true. So that here it's returning only one row. So this is the definition about multi-row. So it returns one or more rows. Now here after you can use in operator. So add a salary. In place of this, you can use in operator. So I already written down, I think. So greater than any include. So add here I already written. Now next is so add here I passed where employee ID equal to 1. So this is the one condition, and here you can use between operator there. So if you execute to this inner query, so see out here. So see out here, the salary is displaying between 5,000 and 10,000. Now here after if you execute this, so see out here the value is displaying 2450, and here or 9,000 here this all. So it compare the value with all. Now here after the next thing is you can use add here less than also with any. So this is the value it's a displaying. So when you are using less than, so it's a displaying the value is 9,000, 6,000, 4850 here. Now here after if you give add here equal, so let's check that. So it's a displaying here 9,000, 6,000. So salary is between 5,000 and 10,000 here. So between 5,000 and 10,000, it's this all value you can find out. Now here after the next example is check. This is the record, and here uh, first I'm going to use in operator. So add here in operator. So if you execute this, so this will display the salary between 5,000 and 10,000. So this will only display the salary. So if you execute this all, so it will display the salary of between 9,000 10,000. So that compare at here the salary that when that font 2450 17,000 17,000, so it will not display here, so it will not in. So that here if you execute this query, so inner query this return the salary is between 5,000, so it only accept the salary is here between two. So that here it's displaying 9,000 6,000 8 to here 10,000 9,000 here. Now if you don't want between 5,000 to 10,000, you can use not in. So at here not in, so 2450 17,000 70,000 4850, so it will not display here. So at here this is the example of multi-row subquery. So we can return one or more rows at here, and we should use at here or this all operator in all not in between. Now the next example is multi-column subqueries. So we can use add here multiple columns. So it return multiple columns. So first I'm going to show you this is the table, employees table. So this is the record, and here this employees table. So I created the alias at here E1. Now here after select department ID average salary. So this the alias salary is the alias for this average salary. So from employee. So if you execute this query, so see at here, this is the value it's displaying. So according department wise, it's displaying average salary. So it's a department wise average salary. So in place of this one, the alias is 80. Now here after I pass the condition on here, even dot department ID, and here 82 dot department ID. Now here after, so even dot, so let's execute here. So let's make that off. So at here, so 19 and here. So check that at here even dot department ID. So even dot department ID, the first row is 19. So e2 dot department ID, the first row is null. So 90 equal to null. So at here I'm using AND operator. If any condition is false, so this will not check. So overall it's false. So at here next check at here 90 with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it's all or not equal. So 90 equal to 90. So see at here 90 equal to 90. Now next that check even dot salary. So at here in at here let's make that up. So 92450, and here in 19 average salary is at here 19,333. So 2450 19,333, the condition is true. Also, this condition is true, this condition is true. So if you execute this query, so this will display at here for 90. Let's go down 24,000. But at here the average salary at here 90,333. And here when that font, so let's check that at here or department 90. So the average salary if you calculate for the DPT 90, so it will come 90,333. So only this condition is satisfied. So that here it's satisfied 2450. Like this that continue here. So next if you actually if you wanna check, so just execute this query. So at here next is 60, and here the average salary of 60 is 5760. So at here 9,000 and 6,000. So this two condition is satisfied because this two is greater than 5760. Others are not greater. So that here if you execute here this query now for let's check about 60. So at here 60, 9,000 and 6,000 it's a display. So these the things about multi-column save query. So at here I passed first column department ID and here AVG under salary. So this the another column. And here I created the alias sal1 from hr.employees and here group by department ID. Now hereafter that check. So this is the example of multi-column sort queries. Now hereafter I'm going to repeat one more time. So about the single query, so it returned one row. So this is the query. So at here if you execute this one, so it returning 17,000. So that check 245 24,000 greater than here. So this condition is satisfied. So that here it return only one row. So this is one row. So that we can say this is the single row subquery. Now here after multi-row subquery. So with multi-row subquery we can use this all operator. And here this is the table I'm using. And here we can use any operator. So about the any operator, this all point. So with any operator we have to use this all operator greater than less than equal to not to equal to we can use. And here about the any operator to compare value with any value. So it compare with value with any value. So if the condition is satisfied, then that return the records. So if you execute this value, so it's returning only one columns. So according to definition of multi-row subquery, so it return one or more than one. And here with multiple columns subqueries, so we have to pass at least two columns. At least two columns, maybe greater than two columns. So according to a requirement of the query, you can pass. So it must be more than one. So these are the things about subqueries. So in my next video, I will discuss about correlated subqueries. So it will take more time if I discuss in one video. So that I will make one separate video for correlated subqueries. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.